watching 2+U Nevada. Joining us this afternoon, we have Rod Dimmitt, treasurer of the May Arboretum Society, joining us this afternoon. And thank you, Rod, so much for joining us.
It's my pleasure to be here.
First and foremost, let's tell folks about the Wilbur D. May Arboretum and the society behind it.
Okay. The Wilbur D. May Arboretum is the botanical garden that's here in Reno. It was started in 1983. The May Arboretum Society, the Arboretum is 13 acres developed with 10 still to go. The May Arboretum Society is the nonprofit that supports the Wilbur D. May Arboretum. So we provide money and funding for garden redos, irrigation upgrades. We pay for some staffing at the Arboretum as well.
It is absolutely beautiful. Like, I need to personally thank you because I walk my children through that developed. It's absolutely gorgeous. And it's a way to feel like you're in the middle of nowhere when you're in the middle of the city. So
yes.
Thank you so much for that. And that's all put on by the society.
We help support it. It's actually a Washoe County facility. And so the funding comes from Washoe County as well. So we're just a nonprofit that helps add to that funding.
And the nonprofit itself was gifted a pretty sizable endowment years ago, and you're working to grow that so that you could grow the footprint as well.
Correct. The Arboretum is 13 acres developed with 10 still to go. We want to help finish the build out. So we were the beneficiary of a $5 million endowment donation in 2016. That has grown to about $7 million, and our goal is to grow it to $20 million. So at $20 million, we can do 4% withdrawal each year, and we can completely fund the operation of the garden without having to rely on Washoe County at all. So Washoe County is kind of at the mercy of what's happening with the economy and all that kind of stuff, and we would just like to be able to fund it the way that it needs to be funded.
And we need the Arboretum. Again, it's not... Dragon Lights is not a part of the Arboretum, but that's something that members of the community would really understand where this is located. Rancho San Rafael Park, you know, it's a gorgeous site. And then you said you want to develop 10 more acres. What would that look like?
Well, there hasn't been a new garden in over 30 years. And so the May Arboretum Society, we funded a design for the next new garden, which is going to be a 2.5 acre cactus and succulent garden. And so that garden is going to be a great showcase garden for low water use plants in a high desert climate.
I need that.
Yeah,
I need to know what to do. And this is great too, because you're also a resource for education for people with brown thumbs.
Right, exactly. The arboretums are great. They support conservation, they support education, so you can come and you can learn. I always tell people when I'm in the garden, you know, if they're new to Reno and they are looking to buy trees, you want to come to the Arboretum because you want to come in the fall and see all the different colorations. And then you want to come again in the springtime because some of them are really messy. And so it's like you have to decide, do you want that tree in your yard? But it's a great place from an education standpoint. We're actually we have for our cactus and succulent garden, we have a little demonstration garden, and it's a soil test. So we had 2 different blends of soil. We put 8 indicator plants in each blend to see which soil blend base look the best in. They grew the best. And so it's really interesting. You know, it's all about education. It's all about science and conservation. And botanical gardens, they contribute a lot to the economy. I mean, people will go to locations to go to the botanical garden. And so our goal is to have that be an end destination for Reno. People would come to Reno to see the May Arboretum. The May Arboretum is the only certified, if you will, botanic garden in the state of Nevada. ArbNet, which certifies gardens all around the world, the May Arboretum is a level 2 garden out of 4, and we're real close to being a level 3. And so we want to build that. We want to make the Arboretum a destination in and of itself, and to do the build out on that. We have our plant sale is our second biggest fundraiser behind our gala. We had our first inaugural gala last year. Our next one's upcoming in next month, the June 13th. And so that is the same thing. It's a fundraiser for all those proceeds that we raise go to our endowment fund, which then grows and then helps us just to support the Arboretum.
Well, fantastic. And you just mentioned the plant sale, and obviously you have gorgeous examples, but the plant sale is this weekend, and these are outdoor plants that work in our climate zones.
Correct. We have just a shade under 5,000 plants we're going to be selling, about a little over 300 different varieties. We have about 53 new varieties for us this year. So this is one of our new ones. It's a hosta called Rainbow's End. We have about 35 varieties that are what we call plant select. So these are plants that were developed by the Denver Botanic Garden in conjunction with the Colorado State University. And so they're low water use plants for cold climates. So everything we sell will survive our climate outdoors year round. So even the succulents we sell are outdoors year round.
Oh, that is
So
fantastic.
it's great. It's a great sale for folks that are new to the Reno community. You got to come to the sale because we typically have things that you don't find in the big box stores or the local nurseries and stuff like that.
Absolutely. And just so people at home know, there are 2 days, but the first day is for Arboretum Society members, but it opens to the public Saturday, May 9th. And I love this line, 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. or until sold out. And you do sell out.
We do, yes. Yeah, and that's our goal. It's a fundraiser. You know, we don't have a way to really get rid of the plants other than plant them in the garden, you know, with anything that's left. So our goal is to sell out. So our price range is, you know, you won't find a plant that's more than $18.
That in and of itself is fantastic.
And probably 50%, 40% of our plants are either $5 or $6. So it's a great price, and that's, you know, we want to offer these different varieties to the community at a great savings compared to, you know, other retailers.
Well, and it goes to a good cause, and it goes to the Arboretum. Absolutely a treasure for our community. Thank you for joining us this afternoon.
My pleasure.
If people want more information on the plant sale or on your upcoming gala this summer, where do they go?
Yes, go to May Arboretum, our website, mayarboretumsociety.org, and it has details on the plant sale and details on the gala.
And the location of the plant sale again?
It's going to be at the May Arboretum, located in the Rancho San Rafael Park Complex. It's in Burke Garden, so it's right behind the Arboretum office. It's one of the oldest, it's like an old English-style tea gardens where we hold it.
Rod, thank you so much for all that you're doing for our community.
Yeah, thank you.
You're watching 2+U Nevada.